hate this, I'll always show up.
Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi bersama Ariani AGT yang selalu setia untuk mengupdate informasi terbaru seputar reaksi dunia terhadap talenta Indonesia. Oke, seperti biasa di sini kita akan memeriksa reaksi dari produser asal Amerika, di mana ini dia diminta oleh fansnya Putri Ariani untuk memeriksa penampilan Putri Ariani di waktu acara ulang tahun Transmedia yang ke-22 tahun. Nah, ini merupakan penampilan Putri Ariani, di mana ini lagu yang dibawakan adalah lagu yang begitu legend, lagu klasik dari Queen yang berjudul Bohemian Rhapsody. Oke, penasaran seperti apa reaksi dari produser asal Amerika ini? Langsung saja kita cek di video ini.
Putri, hey, check this out. Without a doubt, she's in red. Merry Christmas to everybody. First of all, Merry Christmas to everybody. I done clicked on something, I don't know. Okay, there it is.
Putri Ariani times choirs performing a cover of Bohemian Rhapsody.
And let's check this beautiful voice.
Oke, kita akan lihat seperti apa komentar atau reaksi dari produser ini.
Looks like a cool stage.
Just killed a man, put a gun against his head, put my trigger, now he's dead.
I won't sing. You guys don't want to hear me sing.
Put a gun against his head, put my trigger, now he's dead.
Alright. First things first, she sounds pretty good. I did enjoy the little blend with the original audio, you know, with Queen and whatnot. I thought that was kind of unique. There is one thing that is extremely bugging me right now, and I'm sorry if this is gonna bug you guys too, but I just have to say something, because like for someone as someone who edits videos, it's just something I can't not see, you know. But the audio and the video are off, and it is bugging the heck out of me, man. It is killing me. Watch when she goes into the note where she holds it here.
Yeah,
hurts me. Stage set here is dope as hell. No pun intended for the fire. But yeah, I mean, it's super cool stage setting, and I feel like for this type of song, like just because of the like sheer like almost like legend it has behind it, right? Just like the sheer greatness behind the song, right? That this kind of stage can go.
Loves me.
I just want to say, this guy looks so happy to be there. Where is he? This guy looks freaking ecstatic to be there, which I just love it. The choir sounds really, really good, honestly.
Easy go, will you let me go?
I don't know what it is about the like how that word is delivered in this song when he's like, when I gotta get right out of here, like how they say here, I don't know why, but it just sounds right. I don't know, like every single time. I mean, Queen does it in any cover I've ever heard of this song, everyone does it, and it always just like that. Yeah, like don't like if someone changes that, I would probably almost be mad, right? If someone was just like,
Nothing really matters to me.
Wow. That whole red scenery, man, is awesome looking.
I am a big fan of Queen and Freddie Mercury. Love Bohemian Rhapsody. I've loved it.
The red door. Oh man, mama. Hey, Queen, shout out to Queen, rest in peace and all that good stuff, man. This girl is killing it. Man, bless her little heart.
Oke, terima kasih kita ucapkan untuk produser dan pengamat musik yang satu ini telah memeriksa penampilan Putri Ariani di waktu acara Transmedia yang ke-22 tahun. Itu sangat meriah sekali, begitu spektakulernya untuk penampilan seorang Putri Ariani membawakan lagu yang begitu klasik yang sudah menjadi ikon musik dunia, yaitunya Bohemian Rhapsody dari band ternama di dunia, yaitunya Queen. Oke, terima kasih buat teman-teman yang sudah menonton video ini. Jika teman-teman ingin menonton video reaksi mereka secara full, silahkan kunjungi channelnya. Linknya nanti kami sediakan di deskripsi. Dan jangan lupa untuk dukung mereka lagi untuk memeriksa cover Putri Ariani yang lainnya. Oke, terima kasih. Sampai jumpa lagi di berikutnya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.